are like the wizard, I may say, for the hairdressing industry, and I'm sure that a lot of people the youth out there looking at you as their inspiration. So can you just take us through your journey of the hairdressing?
See, the journey now is about 20 years ago. You know, I've started when I was 15. Today I'm turning 35. Back in France, we have to study and become licensed. If we do not have a license, we cannot be named a hairstylist. So there is a minimum of 4 years of study, which I have completed over 2 years as a free candidate. So I was a quick learner, fast learner. I have also done a hair competition in France, where I have won the best French student awards against 4 years of experience people within 6 months of learning. So this is what have kind of defined me from the beginning and be a little different from the others, because I used to spend maybe double or triple the time of exercising, learning, redoing.